All right, hey guys. Okay, so today what I'm doing is I've been working on this for the past like 4 hours because I am not a coder, but could be. Don't want to self-doubt here. I've been trying to learn how to, install this onto, VS Code. My cousin actually recommended to use VS Code for a place to code it on versus, yesterday I actually posted a video about Agent GPT and just wasn't super thrilled with the results. It seemed kind of like a vanilla version of what I thought could possibly exist. So, ended up just watching a bunch of YouTube videos here on how to do Auto GPT or how to, basically take it from GitHub, put it onto VS Code, and then start running it. There's obviously a lot of other steps, but I'm not the expert. There's better videos on how to do it than I could possibly make. So I would recommend those. But, here is, basically the code that I took from GitHub. And then, we're basically I'm running two different things on the terminals at the moment. So I just asked it to do two different questions. So one, I asked it to get my YouTube channel like an additional 1,000 views. I kind of wanted to see how it would go about that. And then the other question was, I don't even think I can scroll all the way up because it's been running for a minute here. No, I can't get all the way up here. If someone knows how to do that, feel free to comment, let me know. But or how to get to the top of the terminal on here once it's been running forever. So the other question I asked it was for basically 15 carriers, 15 trucking companies that were within 15 miles of Wilmington, Delaware. So basically the reason for doing this would be that if we, as a broker, trucking company, if we're looking for another company to help us, we want to be the best freight marketer possible. Right. And being a good freight marketer, that basically means once our customer gives us a load, if we do not have a dedicated carrier on it, that we can market it to the largest amount of positive carriers possible. It's similar how if I'm trying to sell a basketball, I want everyone to see the basketball so they consider buying it. If I'm trying to sell a load or have a carrier cover a load, you want to make sure that you have as many carriers see it as possible. So that's kind of what I'm trying to see if I could utilize this for, at least like longer term. I think we'll figure it out. These are still trying to solve the problem. Okay, so actually here on that question, so it's asking me next action command, evaluate code argument, import request from beautiful soup. I don't know what the hell is that. Yellow pages. Yeah, I feel like I'm fine with this. Companies. So it's asking me how many commands it wants me to run for 15 companies. I'll just do yes for, let's just say another 100 commands or something. Okay, I got back, but as you can see, when it's running the code here, you can see it's like Auto GPT analyzing page. So it's literally just doing its own searches on Google and YouTube or whatever. I mean, it was on Yellow Pages, it was on list of trucking companies. It's just pretty cool to kind of like just take over your desktop. But okay, so yeah, I mean, I don't think this is gonna finish up anytime soon, to be honest. I mean, it looks like it's starting to add, trucking companies to the list here that you could get to, potentially do some work for you. I probably want to use smaller trucking companies. These are fairly large. So like if I have one load, Estes is probably not going to do it. But again, I think it's like just a learning process. I think you got to try it to figure out how to be more specific with your questions and maybe where to send the data to. But I mean, so far, I just feel like this seems a lot better. It's been a lot cooler to kind of read through the thoughts, just some reasoning plan, on here. So yeah, I think tomorrow I'll make another video. I'll see, kind of what the results look like and let you guys know. But I would definitely recommend this over Agent GPT as a prediction so far. So we'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and be around for the next one.